So, you've bought your first cryptocurrency. Maybe it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, or another popular coin. That is an exciting step, but now comes the part that many beginners don't fully understand. How do you actually keep your crypto safe? In 2025, crypto adoption is growing rapidly, but so are cyber attacks, scams, and hacking attempts. Every day, people lose thousands of dollars worth of crypto simply because they didn't take basic precautions. In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about protecting your cryptocurrency investments, including how wallets work, how to store your coins securely, and which scams to avoid. Let's begin with wallets, the most essential tool for every crypto user. When you buy crypto on an exchange like Binance or Coinbase, that crypto is temporarily stored in a wallet controlled by the exchange. This is called a custodial wallet. While it's convenient, it's also risky, because if the exchange gets hacked or freezes your account, you could lose access to your funds. That's why smart investors transfer their assets to a non-custodial wallet, where they alone control the keys and the coins. There are two main types of non-custodial wallets: hot wallets and cold wallets. A hot wallet is connected to the internet and is usually available as a mobile app or browser extension. Popular examples include Trust Wallet, MetaMask, and Exodus. These wallets are easy to set up, user-friendly, and ideal for people who want to trade or access their crypto quickly. But because they're always online, they are more vulnerable to hacking, phishing attacks, and malware. That's where cold wallets come in. A cold wallet is a physical device, like a Ledger Nano X or Trezor, that stores your private keys offline. Since it's not connected to the internet, it's nearly impossible to hack remotely. Cold wallets are the safest option for storing large amounts of crypto for the long term. If you're serious about security, this is your best choice. Now let us talk about something that might sound technical but is very important: your private key and seed phrase. Every wallet, whether hot or cold, generates a recovery phrase made up of 12 or 24 words. This is called your seed phrase, and it is the master key to your wallet. If you lose this phrase, you lose access to your funds forever. And if someone else gets it, they can steal your crypto. No questions asked. That's why you must never store your seed phrase digitally. Not in your phone, not in your email, not even in a photo or screenshot. Instead, write it down on paper and store it in a safe, secure place. Some people even engrave it on a metal plate for fireproof, waterproof protection. Another critical step is enabling two-factor authentication on all your exchange accounts and crypto apps. This means even if someone gets your password, they can log in without a second verification code, usually generated by an app like Google Authenticator or Oath. Never rely on SMS codes alone, because hackers can use a method called SIM swapping to gain control of your mobile number and bypass security. Also, don't use the same password across multiple platforms. Use a strong, unique password for each site, and consider using a password manager to store them securely. Let's now talk about scams, and unfortunately, there are plenty in the crypto world. One of the most common is the phishing scam, where a fake website or app pretends to be a real exchange like Binance or MetaMask. If you log into these fake sites, your data will be stolen. Always check URLs carefully and only download apps from trusted sources like the official App Store. Another scam is the classic double your crypto giveaway. You might see a fake YouTube video or social media post promising, "Send us 1 Bitcoin and we'll send you 2 back." This is 100% fake. No legitimate project or person will ever ask you to send crypto with a promise of receiving more. Some scammers target beginners through WhatsApp and Telegram groups. They invite you to investment groups where they show fake screenshots of people making big profits. Then they'll try to get you to deposit money into a fake exchange or download a suspicious app. Avoid these groups completely and never trust anyone offering you guaranteed profits. Remember, if something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Even browser extensions and clipboard viruses can pose a threat. Some malware can detect when you copy a wallet address and silently replace it with a hacker. Address, meaning you send your funds to the wrong person. Always double-check addresses before sending funds. Also, keep your devices updated with antivirus protection and never install unknown files, especially ones shared through links or forums. Let's summarize the most important tips to keep your cryptocurrency safe in 2025. First, don't store large amounts of crypto on exchanges. Use personal wallets instead. Second, choose a cold wallet for maximum security. Third, protect your seed phrase offline and never share it with anyone. Fourth, enable two-factor authentication using an app, not SMS. Fifth, avoid scams by double-checking URLs, never clicking suspicious links, and ignoring random investment messages. And finally, always stay updated. The crypto space evolves fast, and new security threats can emerge at any time. Taking these steps seriously will protect not just your money, but also your peace of mind. Many people lose their entire portfolio not because of market crashes, but because of poor security practices. But now, you know how to avoid those mistakes. If this video helped you understand how to keep your crypto safe in 2025, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy, beginner-friendly crypto videos. Also, leave a comment and let me know. Are you using a hot wallet or a cold wallet right now? And have you written down your seed phrase? Thanks for watching, and remember, crypto is about freedom, but freedom comes with responsibility. Stay safe, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next video.